Hi everyone, welcome to Classic and Clear. Today we are going to learn a useful formula deduction. How to deduct in the Excel. It's a normal day-to-day life. We are using the Excel formulas in the office for to make the salaries and make the normal workflow. For example, if you want to get a net profit, you have to definitely have to deduct income from expense. So in that case, we are using the this formula. So today we will see, for example, if the income is 1000 and expense is 200, you have to get the net profit. So in this case, you will deduct. So simply, what you will do, I will teach one formula like equal income minus expenses, and you will get the result. So simply you will drag here. So respectively it will deduct from 1500 to 300, 1400 to 400, so like that. So when it's come to the salary, for example, so John and Geoffrey is there, they are taking the salaries, and in this case we have to add first transport and mobile elements, and we take the gross salary, and after that we will deduct the other allowances, for example any deductions or the leave deduction, something like that. So first of all we will add. So we can add two methods, 100 plus 50, 150, or else we can sum, open bracket, and like this, enter, or else we can sum, we will drag this one, enter, and drag this down, and we have to deduct. So what we'll do, 150 minus 10, so 140. So we will drag it down. So when it's come to the collective amount, for example total, if we are taking the totals, what we'll do, we will equal, we will sum, let's go sum 100, 200, 300, and we will drag here. So respectively it will add the columns 110, 410, 30, 380, net profit, net salary. So today we learned deduct formula, and next video we will meet with a different and new formula. Thank you very much.